the next problem is problem number 10, and this is also a question paper problem. Okay, so here they have given the opening balance sheet. See, following are the balance sheet of Durga Sports Club, Koratagiri. They have given the opening balance sheet as on 1/1/2017. So here what they have used, calendar year. Okay, calendar year means it starts from Jan to December, right? So here they have used calendar year. That means the current period is 2017. Okay, now see the balance sheet asset side. So the first item is cash balance of value 7,300. Then they have given the outstanding subscription. That means this subscription is of 2016. So this belongs to the previous year, hence this amount need to be deducted from the respective subscription. Then sports material of value 16,000, then furniture of value 10,000, which will be written in balance sheet asset side. Then see the liabilities. What is the item they are given? Outstanding salary. That means this salary is of 2016, which they had to receive but they didn't receive. So this is of previous year, hence we need to deduct from respective salary. Then they have given the capital fund, hence there is no need of calculation of capital fund. So now see the receipt and payment account for the year ending 31/12/2017. So receipt side, see they have given the cash balance. So it is not recorded in income and expenditure account. Then see they have given the subscription of amount 38,000. So this one is the income recorded under income side of the income and expenditure account. And here what we need to do is, here we need to see whether there is any adjustment related to subscription. Yes, there is a subscription outstanding for 2017. Means this amount is outstanding for this particular period. So what we need to do, we need to add this particular amount to the subscription, right? Then see another adjustment, adjustment B, subscription received in advance for the year 2018. See here, they have received in advance the subscription which does not belongs to this particular year. So this is of future year 2018. So what we need to do, we need to deduct this amount from the subscription. Okay, I hope you have got this particular point. Okay, then see there is an entrance fees. So entrance fees is of value 2,000. See whether there is any adjustment related to entrance fees. Yes, there is. See, capitalized entrance fees. So they have said that this entrance fees, entire entrance fees need to be capitalized. Hence, this need to be recorded under liability side balance sheet, need to be added to the capital fund. Okay, okay. Then see sale of old newspaper. This is also income recorded under income side. Then sale of old sports material. So they have got benefit out of selling old sports material. You know what? Why this sports material is the income or revenue item for the sports club? Because this particular organization is the sports club, right? So selling of sports, old sports material is the recurring income for them. Then to rent, so 7,000 rent they have given. So there is no adjustment related to rent. Okay. Then see the payment side. So by salary 10,000. See whether there is any adjustment related to salary. No. Write that amount as it is under expenditure side. Then by purchase of sports material. So they have purchased sports material which need to be recorded where? Under balance sheet asset side. Okay. That is the additional purchase. Then by investment, what is this? Asset. Need to be recorded under asset side of the balance sheet. Then fixed deposit. That is also asset. You know, right? You are going to keep certain amount as a fixed deposit in a bank for which you are going to receive some interest. So fixed deposit we cannot withdraw easily. Then see the postage. So whether there is any adjustment related to postage, no. This is the expenditure. General expenses, expenditure. See there is a lighting charge 1,300 and adjustment is there. Outstanding lighting charge is of 300. So we need to do what? Addition of this particular amount to respective lighting charges. So then another is, there is a closing balance of cash which need to be recorded under balance sheet asset side. Then adjustment we have already discussed, right? There is a depreciation. depreciation of sports material by 5,000. So they have given the depreciation amount. So we need not calculate. Write the depreciation amount of 5,000 where? Under expenditure side. Okay. So now let us prepare the income and expenditure account as well as balance sheet. So we are going to prepare. So I am going to prepare income and expenditure account. So while writing exam, remember that you need to write the heading properly. If they have mentioned the name of the organization, we need to write income and expenditure account of Durga Sports Club as on 31st 2017. Sorry, 2007, okay. So the current period is, no, it's 2017, sorry. So the current period is 2017. So write down debit side as well as credit side, then expenditure need to be debited, right? Amount, income, okay. Now let us write down the income and all the items of income. So what and all the items? First one is the subscription. So while listening to the explanation to this particular problem, before listening to this, please write down the question properly, and at the time of explaining, please see the problem. So by subscription, what is the amount? 38,000. So there is an adjustment given, that is subscription outstanding for the current year. So write down outstanding of current year amounting to rupees 3,000. So 41,000, add that, okay. Then there is the advance of previous future year, okay. So this advance need to be deducted, right? Okay. So that is of value 1,000. So what is the value now? 40,000. And there is outstanding subscription of previous year. So previous year subscription need to be deducted. So what is the amount? 1,200. So deduct that, you are going to get 38,800. Okay. Then next item is, they have said entrance fees entire amount is capitalized, so we should not write. Then buy sale of old newspaper, so amounting to rupees 200. Then sale of sports material amounting to rupees 1,200. Then there is a rent received amounting to rupees 7,000. So this is the income amount, all the amounts of income, items of income. So there is nothing left in income side. Okay, now we are going to write the expenditure side. So on the expenditure side, what we need to write? There is an item called salary of value 10,000, and there is outstanding of previous year. So outstanding need to be deducted, right? Of previous year means need to be deducted. That is 2,000. So 8,000 is the value. So nothing is mentioned regarding outstanding salary in adjustment, okay? Then purchase of sports material. So they have said that there is a depreciation. To depreciation on sports material, they have given the amount, so we need not calculate. Sports material of value 5,000, okay. Then there is an investment which is asset, fixed deposit asset. Then postage is there, to postage. Write down 300. To general expense, there is no adjustment related to that, so write down the amount 400. Then there is a lighting charge, so there is an adjustment. Lighting charge is of value 1,300, and then there is a outstanding of this particular year 300. So 1,600 is the amount. So we should see that whether any item is left out or not. So nothing is left out. Now we can calculate the income side. So first I am going to calculate income side. 38,800 plus 200 plus 1,200 plus 7,000. So I am getting the total of income side as 47,200. I am going to write here. Okay, now I am going to calculate the expenditure side total. So 8,000 plus 5,000 plus 300 plus 400 plus 1,600. So I got the total of expenditure side as a 15,300. So what it says that there is an excess of income over expenditure, that means surplus, right? So to surplus, what we need to do? We need to deduct 15,300 from 47,200. So we are getting surplus as 31,900. So write down the total 47,200. Okay, done, right? This amount need to be added to the capital fund. So what we need to do? We need to prepare now balance sheet. So balance sheet of whom? Durga Sports Club. Durga Sports Club as on 31st/12/2007. Sorry, 2017. So write down the format. Left side is for liabilities rupees, assets rupees. Okay. Now see what end of the item we need to record. So first, in our opening balance sheet there is a cash balance. So search what is the cash balance of this year. So in closing balance, in receipt and payment side, see 7,700 they are given. So this is the cash balance. So then there is a sports material. So they have charged a depreciation over sports material. Sports material value is 16,000 and depreciation is of 5,000. So the total becomes, okay, there another thing, there is a additional purchase. Okay, so additional purchase of sports material is before charging depreciation, add the additional purchase. So additional purchase value is 6,000. So what we need to do? We need to add 16,000 plus 6,000, 22,000. Okay. Then what we need to do? We need to charge depreciation of 5,000. So 17,000 is the value of sports material. Then furniture. So there is no adjustment related to furniture and there is no additional purchase, right, as it is 10,000. Then see, there is an outstanding subscription, right? Outstanding subscription of value 3,000 for current period, and there is an advance received. So right here, advance received is what? Now a liability, right? Means if we are getting something benefit of future year in current year, the benefit gets exhausted in this particular year. Hence, advance receipt becomes a liability. So advance subscription. I hope you have understood this. Why this advance subscription becomes liability? Because this amount is of future year, right? We are going to get in this particular year, means the benefit get exhaust in this particular year only. So this is the liability. So outstanding subscription or advance subscription is 1,000. Okay. Then see, there is any item remaining.